Please support Waters with a visit to the Garden Center at 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott, or support us online at watersgardencenter.com by shopping the latest plant collections in Arizona. Now, let's get growing. Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and kind of an old-fashioned plant, but it's so bright and so good, you need to consider it. This is called Phlox. So, flame garden phlox. And it looks like this. Is that gorgeous? Comes in a couple different colors. The great thing about this, it loves bright sun. It loves like the wind. It loves our environment. And deer, rabbits, they don't eat phlox. It's an amazing plant. Gets up about, I don't know, knee high or so, and just does this all summer long. And you're only going to find phlox. Perennial. Comes back for years to come right here at Waters Garden Center. Hi, Ken here, the mountain gardener at Waters Garden Center, helping gardeners with beautiful plants that thrive in the landscape in Prescott, Arizona. Now, here's today's plant of the day.